Have you ever wondered why, when you push a wall, it doesn't move but you feel a force pushing you back? This seemingly simple observation is at the heart of one of the most fundamental laws of physics, Newton's third law of motion. To understand this law, consider this. You're sitting in a boat and you throw a heavy stone overboard. What happens? The stone goes into the water, of course, but the boat also moves backward. Why is that? That's Newton's third law of motion at work. Sir Isaac Newton, a 17th century physicist, mathematician, and philosopher, formulated 3 laws of motion that form the foundation of classical mechanics. Today we're focusing on the third one, which states, "For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction." But what does that mean exactly? In the simplest terms, it means that any force exerted on a body will create a force of equal magnitude, but in the opposite direction on the object that exerted the first force. So when you push a wall, the wall pushes back with the same force. That's why you feel a push back. Similarly, when you throw a stone from the boat, you're exerting a force on the stone forward. And in return, an equal force is exerted on you and the boat backward. That's why the boat moves back when you throw the stone. In essence, Newton's third law tells us that forces always come in pairs. You can't have a single isolated force. A force always comes with a partner. These pairs of forces are of equal strength but act in opposite directions. So to sum up, Newton's third law of motion tells us 3 main things. First, forces always occur in pairs. You can't push without being pushed back. Second, these pairs of forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. And third, these forces are exerted on different bodies. The force you exert goes on the other body, and the force you feel is the one exerted by the other body on you. It's a simple but powerful concept that governs many of the physical phenomena we see around us every day. From the way cars move to how birds fly, from the recoil of a gun to the propulsion of a rocket, Newton's third law of motion is at work, constantly shaping the world around us. So the next time you push a door, throw a ball, or even just take a step forward, remember, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. You're not just moving. You're interacting with the world through forces, and the world is interacting right back at you, all thanks to Newton's third law of motion.